Morning. Good morning, students. Am I audible to you in the last? Online students, am I audible? Now we will do topic like how to convert recurring decimal into fraction, where I give the short trick also. And let me take 2-3 small topic. In the last I give the answer key of this 10 question on board mass. Okay. Then your homework is this question number 11 to question number 20. वो आज के topic पे base है. Okay. See here. Last class I told you about rational number and irrational number. In rational number we found there is some number like or some fractions like 1 by 3. It is 0.333333333. Okay. Or like we have 0.16666666666. Okay. These are called recurring decimal. Here 3 reoccur again and again. Here 6 reoccur again and again. It can be 0.12121212. Here this is 1 to reoccur again and again. So our topic is we have to convert this recurring decimal into fraction. Okay. So I give you two methods. One is long cut, which is NCERT based method. One student asked me also like NCERT mein method diya, I will tell you. But I give you short trick because NCERT method is to understand, that is okay, but time consuming. So you put heading how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. Generally what I do for the topic, I divide in different types so that we have better conceptual clarity. Okay, so I take 3 type, type 1, type 2, type 3. So now here type 1 question is like 0.33333. Immediately after decimal there is a repetition, 0.3333. Now first let us see the basic method or NCERT based method. We take it as x. X is equal to 0.33333. So we take it as equation number 1. I think all of you have fair idea. Equation, this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Now the rule is in a equation we have two sides. One is left hand side, other is right hand side. Both side we can multiply by same value. Both side we can divide by same value. On both side you can add same value. On both side you can subtract same value. मतलब इसको अगर गुलाब जामुन खिलाओगे तो इसको भी खिलाना है, इसको थप्पड़ मारोगे तो इसको भी मारना है, सेम इंटेंसिटी से. तो if you want to multiply it with 10, so rule is you have to multiply it with 10. If you want to divide it by 2, you have to divide it by 2. If you want to do plus 5 here, so you have to do plus 5 here also. If you want to do minus 5 here, so you have to do minus 5 on the right hand side. You have to do the same operation on both sides. So now here we have to find what is x, and that is fraction, numerator by denominator. X is equal to 0.33333. So we have to convert this in fraction. Step number 1, what we do, we multiply both side by 10. Left hand side x multiply with 10, we get 10x. On right hand side it is 0.333 multiply with 10. When you multiply one decimal value by 10, your decimal shift one place on the right side. तो ये डेसिमल एक प्लेस शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, तो इट विल बी 3.333333. दिस आई टेक इक्वेशन नंबर 2. I repeat, x is equal to 0.3333. We have to find what is x, that is fraction, numerator by denominator. Okay, we multiply with 10, 10x is 3.333, so we have to like multiply with 10 on both sides. How? Equation number 2 minus equation number 1. So here from the second equation we have to subtract first. Okay, so what is equation number 1? X is equal to 0.33333. This is equation number 1. Minus minus, on left hand side what we get? 10x minus x is 9x. On right hand side it is 3.333 minus 0.333. You can check part after decimal is exactly same, so it is like 3 minus 0, we get 3. Is this okay? 3.333 minus 0.333, the part after decimal is exactly same, so that is cancel out. 3 minus 0, 3, so 9x is equal to 3, so here x is equal to 3 by 9. One thing is, when I will take short trick, I will tell 9. Then some student they ask from where this 9 is coming. It is 10x minus x give 9x, that's why we get 9. In some question it will be 100x minus x 99x, there will be 2 9. Sometime 1000x minus x 999, so there will be 3 9. So from where this 9 is coming? From the long cut method. But for each and every question I cannot take long method, we have to save time, because aptitude is about accuracy plus speed. क्योंकि CSAT में time is concern. GS time there is no problem, but in CSAT in 2 hours we have to maximize our score. So here we can't use long method. This long method just for conceptual clarity, otherwise it is time consuming, we can't use it. I repeat, x is equal to 0.333, we multiply with 10, it is 10x is 3.333, so we subtract equation number 2 minus equation number 1, 10x minus x we get 9x, 3.333 minus 0.33 we get 3, so x is equal to 3 by 9, it is 1 by 3. 10x minus 1x, ये रहा x, जिसके साथ कुछ नहीं लगाता उसके साथ 1 लग जाता है. y, what is y? 1y, ये 1y होता है. z 1z, x means 1x. if we don't have any other number, it itself means 1x. x मतलब 1x. तो 10x minus 1x is 9x, 3.333 minus 0.33 we get 3, so x is equal to 3 by 9. Okay, but it is lengthy. For each and every question I can't use this method, it is going to be time consuming, will take 2 minutes, 3 minutes, whereas this type of question we can handle just in 2 seconds. इस तरह के क्वेश्चन हम सिर्फ 2 सेकंड में हैंडल कर सकते हैं. Now here type 1, I take 3 examples. See, my style is I take questions in different types so that we have better conceptual clarity, and I try to take 3 examples. Okay, because I found when I take one example, nearly 90% or 90 to 95% student they are able to understand. So I take extra example. I take second example, so 99% student they are able to understand. If I take third example, I hope कि जो 1% बच गए वो फिर समझ जाएंगे. Still like I found some student like 99.5% they are able to understand, क्योंकि बाकियों का WhatsApp बज रहा है. ठीक है, it's over now. उनको कहाँ रिकरिंग डेसिमल समझ में आएगा, तो उनसे रिक्वेस्ट है पहले वो व्हाट्सएप संभालो फिर कंसेप्ट संभालेंगे. अदरवाइज 3 एग्जांपल, इफ आई फाउंड एनी कंसेप्ट इज डिफिकल्ट आई टेक मोर एग्जांपल फ्रॉम माय साइड. ठीक है, 4 5 इफ इज रिक्वायर्ड, बट 3 एग्जांपल से समझ में आ जाती है चीज. 0.33333, 0.13131313, 0.123123. What is our type 1? Immediately after decimal there is a repetition, but it is not necessary repetition of only one digit. There can be repetition of two digit, there can be repetition of three digit, there can be repetition of four digit. Here 3 reoccur again and again, here 1 and 3 reoccur again and again, here 1, 2, 3 reoccur again and again. Now here school days, teacher told you we express it as 0.3 bar on 3, because we can't write 3, so we put bar. Bar here represent this 3 reoccur again and again, so we put bar on the digit which reoccur again and again. For the second example, we write it like 0. bar on 13, because this 13 reoccur again and again. Now the third example, 0.123 bar on 123, this 123 reoccur again and again. Fine. Now numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator. First I tell you denominator. Our rule for denominator is, in our denominator we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. As many 9 as many digit under the bar. There is one digit on the bar, we put 1 9. Long cut में 9 कहाँ से आया था? 10x minus 1x give 9x. Here there are 2 digit on the bar, we have to put double 9. Our rule is as many 9 as many digit under the bar. Here we have 3 digit under the bar, so we put triple. Okay, I repeat, in our denominator we have as many 9 as many digit under the bar. These questions are very easy. Numerator number as it is, so it is 3, so we write 3. So your answer is 3 by 9. Don't forget to simplify. You have to simplify. So answer is 1 by 3. Second question, what is the number 13? So it is 13 upon 99. We can't simplify. So this is our answer, 13 upon 99. Now the third question, it is 123. So it is 123 upon 999. We simplify it. We get 41 upon 333. Okay, I repeat, in our denominator as many 9 as many digit under the bar, and numerator number as it is. I ask you 3 questions, you try. 0.44444, 0.252525, 0.213213213. Take your time, just convert this in fraction. Okay, so now here we can write it as 0. bar on 4. This is 0. bar on 25, because this 25 reoccur again and again. This is 0.213. We put bar on 213 because this 213 reoccur again and again. What is the answer here? 4 by 9. As many 9 as many digit under the bar. There is one digit 19, numerator number as it is. In the second question, what is your answer? 25 upon 99. There are 2 digits on the bar, 99. So here it is 25 upon 99. Now here third question, how many digits on the bar? 3. So 999, number 213. Don't forget to simplify. You can divide it by 3. 71 upon 333. Denominator as many 9, as many digit under the bar, numerator number as it is. Clear? Type 1. I take one more example. 0.26262626. Online student also, you have to write your answer in comment. Convert this in 71 is a prime number. तो 71 आया कहाँ? 713 था. हाँ 71 के बाद नहीं सिंप्लीफाई होगा. Yes. Yes Satyam. Because 71 is a prime number. Yes. Okay. So we write it as 0.26. There are 2 digits in the bar. So 99. Numerator is 26. Number as it is. So your answer is 26 upon 99. Clear? Next is type 2. And I tell you type 2 is important. Like even in UPSC process we have prelims, mains, interview. Mains is important. So type 2 is important. That's why I will take 5 examples. I will take 2 extra examples so that all of you will be comfortable. And once you understand type 2, type 3 is easier. Type 3 is easier than type 2. Okay. First, let me take 3 examples, or let me tell you what is the difference in type 1 and type 2. Type 1, immediately after decimal there is a repetition. Decimal के तुरंत बाद repetition start है. But whereas in type 2, after decimal we have some digit, then we have repetition. मतलब immediately after decimal we don't have recurring digit. कुछ digit आएंगे फिर recurring आएंगे. जैसे 0.1234343434. So I take 3 example. Zero point 0.13333333, 0.2343434, and so on. 0.1235353535, and so on. After decimal we have some digit, then we have repetition. So we write it as 0.1 bar on 3. 1 is not repeating, only 3 is repeating. So we have to put bar on 3. Second question, 0.2 bar on 3,4, because this 3,4 reoccur again and again. This is 0.12 bar on 3,5, because this 3,5 reoccur again and again. Now next is numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator, numerator upon denominator. First let's handle denominator. For denominator we have 2 rules. Rule number 1 I already told you. Rule number 1 is as many 9, as many digit under the bar. Here we have 1 digit under the bar, so we put 1 9. In the second question, how many digits in the bar? 2. So we have to put 999. Same like type 1. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. There are 2 digits, so 2 9. Denominator rule number 1 is as many 9, as many digit under the bar. But we have 2 rules. Second rule for denominator is for 0. After this 9, as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So between decimal and recurring part there is a digit. This 1 is 1 digit which is after decimal but not repeating. For that we put 0. As many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. So there is 1 digit between decimal and recurring part, we have to put 1 0. Here we have 2 digit between decimal and recurring part. For this 2 digit we have to put 2 0. I repeat, as many 9, as many digit under the bar. Okay. After that, as many 0, as many digit between decimal and recurring part. Now next is numerator. Numerator here is, there are also two things. Numerator के लिए लिख लो total number minus non-recurring part. Total number minus non-repeating or non-recurring part. What is total number? 13. Out of 13, 1 or 3 which is not repeating, 1, so you have to subtract 1. Total number minus non-recurring part, so it is 12 by 90. You simplify, 6 से divide हो जाएगा, it will come 2 by 15. You can check, but पहले concept पे focus करते हैं. Simplification can be done. Total number 234 minus 2. Some student by mistake they write 234 minus 34. No, total number minus non-recurring part, जो repeat नहीं हो रहा है. So it is 232 upon 990. You can simplify. Let me repeat here. What is the total number? 1, 2, 3, 5. Out of this, which is not repeating? 1 and 2. So your answer is 1235 minus 12. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. So here 1223 upon 9900. I take two more example so that you will be comfortable here with this type 2. लिख लो 1235 minus 12 upon 9900. Done. Example number 4, example number 5. 0.455555, 0.1676767. Now here 0.4 bar on 5, 0.1 bar on 6, 7. First we handle denominator. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. So there is one digit on the bar, 1 9. There are two digits on the bar, double 9. There is one digit between decimal recurring part, so 1 0. There is one digit between decimal recurring part, 1 0. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. What is total number? 45. What is not repeating? 4. So 45 minus 4, your answer is 41 upon 90. दया को बोलना थोड़ा जूम आउट करेगा. Here it is 167 minus 1, 166 upon 990. Simplify. I think it is clear. Let us practice 3 example. If you will face problem, I will help you. 9, 0, total number minus non-recurring part. Example number 6, 7, 8. 0.2333333, 0.1 454545, 0.23 57575757. गो स्लो. कितना भी स्लो चलो, 10 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं लगते हैं, बट डोंट डू मिस्टेक. गो स्टेप बाय स्टेप, टेक योर टाइम. यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस इन फ्रैक्शन. डन। 0.2 बार ऑन 3, 0.1 बार ऑन 4 5, 0.23 बार ऑन 5 7। टाइप 2 अगर समझ में आ गई, टाइप 3 इज इजियर देन दिस। नाउ हियर as many 9 as many digit under the bar, there is one digit under the bar, 1 9, followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal recurring part, there is one digit between decimal recurring part, 1 0. Numerator total number minus non-recurring part, so it is 21 upon 90. Here in class only one person can skip the simplification, that is me. ठीक है, आपको करनी है। ठीक है, 7 upon 33 30 sorry, divide by 3, 7 upon 30. Now second question, there are two digits in the bar, double 9. There is one digit between decimal recurring part, 1 0. Numerator 145 minus 1, it is 144 upon 990. Simplify. क्या आ रहा है? 48 48 तो फिर 3 से भी डिवाइड हो जाएगा, 72 आ रहा था, 8 अपॉन 55। चलो देख लेना। थर्ड एग्जांपल, देयर आर टू डिजिट इन द बार, डबल 9, देयर आर टू डिजिट बिटवीन डेसिमल रिकरिंग पार्ट, डबल 0, न्यूमरेटर 2357 minus 23. So now here 7 minus 3 4, 5 minus 2 3, 2 3 3 4 upon double 9 double 0. Simplify. Type 2 clear? Type 2 clear? Any doubt? Type 3. What is the difference in type 1, type 2 and type 3? Type 3 में क्या होगा? In type 1 and type 2 we have 0 point something, 0 point something, 0 point something. I have not taken any digit before 0. Type 1, type 2. Type 3 is we have digit before decimal also. I will take 4 examples. Like here 1.333333. 4.56666666. Then next is 12.3454545. So 1 point bar on 3, 4.5 bar on 6, 12.3 bar on 4 5, because here 4 5 reoccur again. One by one. First example. First I take denominator. Denominator we have only two rule, 9 and 0, same but we have learned in type 2. As many 9 as many digit under the bar, followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal recurring part. There is one digit on the bar, we put 1 9. Tell me how many digit between decimal and recurring part. There is no digit, so we will not put 0. Second question, how many digit under the bar? 1, so 1 9. How many digit between decimal recurring part? 1, so 1 0. Third question, how many digit under the bar? 2, so double 9. How many digit between decimal and recurring part? Decimal के बाद है but repeat नहीं हो रही, 1, so 1 0. Is this clear? 9 0. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part, जो हमने type 2 में ही देखा था. But here you have to be careful. Total number here is 13. But what is non-recurring? 1. Decimal से पहले वाली digit repeat नहीं हो रही, decimal के बाद वाली repeat हो रही, -1. So your answer is 12 by 9. So it is 4 by 3. I repeat, here total number is 4 5 6. minus. Some student by mistake they take 5, they take 6, but here 4 and 5 both are non-repeating. या एक काम करो, here ignore decimal for numerator. एक बार decimal को ignore करो. You have 4, 5, 6. Total is 4, 5, 6. Out of 4, 5, 6, which is not repeating? 4, 5. So minus 45. So here 6 minus 5, 1, 5 minus 4, 1, 411 upon 90 simplify. Let me repeat, what is the total number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus. Out of this, which is not repeating? 1, 2, 3. 3 भी लेना है. 1 नहीं repeat हो रहा, 2 नहीं repeat हो रहा, even 3 is also not repeating. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. 3 minus 1, 2. 1, 2, 12,222 upon 990. Simplify. Only the thing you have to be careful about non-recurring part. Let me take one more example. Two point 3454545. So it is 2.3 bar on 4. There are 2 digits in the bar, so we have to put double line. There is 1 digit between decimal and recurring part, we have to put 10. Numerator is total number 2, 3, 4, 5 minus non-recurring part. What is non-recurring here? 23. क्योंकि 2 और 3 दोनों non-recurring का हिस्सा है. 2 and 3. 5 minus 3, 2. 4 minus 2, 2. So 2322 upon 990. Simplify. Let me ask. हाँ जी, मैं पहले ही बोला था. मैं क्या टाइप 2, मैंने डिफरेंस भी बताया. उसमें डेसिमल से पहले 0 है, इसमें डेसिमल से पहले डिजिट है, बट प्रोसेस सेम है. टाइप इज डिफरेंट बट प्रोसेस इज सेम. सॉल्व करने का तरीका सेम है. टाइप में डिफरेंस क्या है? पहली टाइप में था 0.1333. यहाँ पे डेसिमल से पहले ऑल्सो वी हैव सम डिजिट. दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. अदरवाइज इट इज मोर और लेस टाइप 2. कोई मेजर डिफरेंस नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू, इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड टाइप 2, टाइप 3 इज इजी. नाउ यू ट्राई. One point 3444444. 13.2565656. 4.5 77777. Go slow, step by step. Try to convert this in fraction. Done? All of you? 1.3 bar on 4, 13.2 bar on 5 6, 4.5 bar on 7. Denominator first, as many 9, as many digits under bar, 1 9, as many 0, as many digits between decimal reckoning part, 1 0. Second question, there are 2 digit bar, double 9, there is 1 digit between decimal reckoning part, 1 0. Third question, 1 digit on the bar, 1 9, 1 digit between decimal reckoning part, 1 0. Now numerator is total number. What is total number? 134 minus 13. Be careful, क्योंकि 1 and 3 both are part of non recurring. दोनों में कोई नहीं रिपीट हो रहा, सिर्फ 4 रिपीट हो रहा था. So here 4 minus 3 1, 3 minus 1 2, 121 upon 90. Second question, total number is 13256 minus, and all of you, 132. 132. So what we get here, 6 minus 2 4, 5 minus 3 2, 2 minus 1 1, so 13,124 upon 990. Third question, what is the total number? 457 minus 45. 7 minus 5 2, 5 minus 4 1, 412 upon 90. Simplify. Let me ask you one more question, then I give the language what we have to use for this topic actually. Then I take next topic. 4.05555. I don't know why some students they do mistake in this particular question. Try. कुछ student इसमें गलती कर देते हैं. Try. 4.0555555. सिंप्लीफाई करके बताने का आंसर. Now here this is 4.0 bar on 5. There is one digit in the bar, 1 9. There is one digit between decimal and recurring part. Some students they miss 0. 0 is also digit. So for that one digit we have to put 1 0. What is numerator? 405 minus 40. Some students they take 405 minus 4, but no, it is 405 minus 40. So it is 365 upon 90 divided by 5, 73 upon 18 is the correct answer. Done. Now here you write what we are doing for this topic. Numerator is total number minus non-recurring part. Total number minus non-recurring part. Denominator we have two things. As many 9, as many digit under the bar. Followed by as many 0 as many digit between decimal and recurring part. डेसिमल रिकरिंग पार्ट के बीच में जितनी डिजिट है उनके लिए 0. एनी डाउट? हाँ जी, कैटेगरी 1 स्टूडेंट, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स. हाँ, डिनोमिनेटर 9 से शुरू होगा और 0 9 के बाद आएंगे, अगर आएंगी तो, क्योंकि 0 9 से पहले उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रूल ऑफ काउंटिंग प्रिंसिपल. I take 5 rules. Some of you already know this rule. What is this rule of counting principle? First one is sum of first n natural number. Sum of first n natural number. Okay. Any one of you know this formula? What I mean for this sum of first n natural number, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to n. Sum of first n natural number, formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. N into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. We prefer less formulas, but ये हम formulas की गिनती में लेते भी नहीं है. These are very basic thing, all of you should know. मतलब बड़े basic formulas हैं that all of you should know. Sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. I ask you 3-4 questions based on this rule. Question number 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 50. Sum of first 50 natural number. Take time, keep your answer with yourself. Keep your answer with yourself, sir. But why I say keep your answer with yourself? Because of 2 reasons. One reason is when category 3 स्टूडेंट देगी वो आंसर, कैटेगरी 1 उनको ऐसे देख रहे होते हैं जैसे उनकी किडनी निकाल देंगे. ठीक है, तो आपको नजर ना लगे. और दूसरा रीजन, लाइक आई हैव सीन समटाइम स्टूडेंट टू इम्प्रेस समवन देगी वो आंसर और वो आंसर गलत निकल आए, तो इंप्रेशन खराब हो जाएगा. और जिसको इंप्रेस करना चाह रहे हो वो ऑलरेडी इंप्रेस है. Okay, so here it is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So value of n here is 50. 50 into 51 divided by 2. So if we solve it, 25 into 51, 1275. Question number 2, and keep your answer with yourself. पहले बोल रहा हूँ, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 80. Sum of first 80 natural number. Done? What is your answer? 3240. So it is 80 into 81 divided by 2. So here you multiply 40 into 81, 3240. As some student, like what we have from the school days, some student they have one problem. They thought they have paid the fees, they just focus on this part. School time से उनको लगता है कैलकुलेशन तो वी विल डू, एंड आई गारंटी ऐसे लोग 10 में से 5 कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक करते हैं. यू हैव टू डू इट, अब नहीं तो कब. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं, अगले साल फिर आपने एडमिशन लेना पड़ जाएगा, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा कुछ डिस्काउंट दे देंगे आपको. ठीक है, करना है ये आपको. डोंट स्किप योर कैलकुलेशंस. डोंट थिंक कैलकुलेशन इज छोटा काम क्लर्क विल डू. Until unless you get selected, you have to do your calculation. Only 2% can skip calculation here in the class. One, and second is if anyone relative of Amit Shah here in the class. और उसके रिलेटिव होंगे तो काहे पढ़ोगे फिर तो. ठीक है, BCCI खाली हो रहा है, वो ये संभाल लोगे, वो तो जा रहा है ICC पे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 100. Sum of first 100 natural number. Done. What is the answer? 5050. 100 into 101 divided by 2, so it is 50 multiplied by 101, 5050. Next, 31 plus 32 plus 33, 34 up to 80. Find the sum of this series. Okay, tell me what is your answer. 2745, 1275, 2775, 2745. Any one of you got 3240? गलत है सर, इतना बड़ा हाथ नहीं खड़ा करना. 3240. और कोई और वेराइटी ऑफ आंसर? एनी वन ऑफ यू गेटिंग? 2679 आया एक ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट का. 2785, तो कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक. दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक, दिस इज रॉन्ग, this is correct. I tell you, if you are using this, it means you are taking 80. These are not first 80 terms, and some students they think these are 50 terms. They are applying 50 into 51 divided by 2. It is for the first 50 natural number. Have you read this formula carefully? Sum of first n natural number. So directly this formula is not applicable. Why? Because your series is not starting from 1. This formula is applicable when your series start from 1. When your series start from 1, then we have to use this. But if it is not starting from 1, you can use AP, GP, but वो higher level की बात है, वो बाद में करेंगे. How we can apply this formula? We will do some जुगाड़. This is like level 2 question. अब तक जो किए थे वो easy थे, ये level 2 question. See what is important here, we can't use directly formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Why? Because that formula is applicable if your series start from 1. It is not starting from 1. So what you do, what is missing? क्या miss है? 1 से लेके 30 तक we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 30, so that it become a series from 1 to 80. But if you add something, it will be imbalance. So rule is whatever you have added, same thing you subtract in the last, so that there will be balance in the society. किसी चीज में कुछ ऐड कर सकते हो बट उसके पीछे सेम चीज सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी होती है. You can add 1 to 30, but to maintain a balance, same thing we have to subtract. So now we get two series. One is 1 to 80, second is 1 to 30. We use this formula twice. Here n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here it is 80. So 80 into 81 divided by 2 minus this 30 into 31 divided by 2. I repeat, for category 1 student, don't use this formula directly because this series is 31 to 80. It is not from 1. This formula is applicable when series start from 1. So something is missing, 1 to 30 missing, same thing you add and subtract. So here now we solve, this is 3240 minus 465. So if you solve this, it will come 2775. That is the correct answer. Let us practice two more questions so that you will be comfortable. Point here is you can use this formula when your series start from 1. It is starting from 31, so remaining जो नहीं है वो add कर लो. And since you are adding this, same thing you subtract. Then you follow the steps. Let us try. One more question. If you are not understood, wait. My next question is 41 plus 42 plus 43 plus 44 up to 100. Take your time. Done? Those who are done, what is the answer? 4230. See what is important here, it start from 41. If you want to use this formula, so here rule is it should start from 1. So something is missing, we can add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 40. But since you have added this, you have to subtract the same. So we get a series from 1 to 100. So that is 100 into 101 divided by 2 minus 40 into 41 divided by 2. So this is 5050. This is 820. So yes. So here 4230. Okay. One more question. एक और प्रैक्टिस कर लेते हैं. 21 plus 22 plus 23 59 plus 60, मतलब 60 तक सीरीज आ रही, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 21 अप टू 60. सही है। Now here, what is missing? 1 to 20, we add 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to 20. Same thing we subtract in the last, 1, 2 up to 20. So here 60 into 61 divided by 2 minus 20 into 21 divided by 2. So here what we get? 1830 minus 210. So 1620. 1620 is our correct answer. Next is second rule. Rule number 2. Rule number 2 is sum of square of first n natural number. Meaning hereby 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to n square. Any one of you know this formula? This side into लास्ट वाले इधर पूरे पैसे करके जाने हैं कोचिंग के ना, ऑनलाइन में it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. But here also it should start from 1 square. Sum of square of first n natural number. It should start from 1. Let us practice 2-3 example. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square up to 20 square. Take time and keep your answer with yourself. Do calculation. पीछे वाले सारे एसी 24 या 25 पे कर दो. So here this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So this is 20 into 21 into 41 divided by 6. So now here this is 7, this is 2, this is 10. So what is your answer? 2870. One more question. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square 12 square up to 12 square. Find the sum of the square of first 12 natural number. Six 50. So here this is 12 into 13 into 25 divided by 6, it is 2, so it is 26 into 25, which is 650. One more question, be careful. 11 square plus 12 square plus 13 square up to 20 square. 11 square, 12 square, 13 square, लास्ट में है 20 square. Okay. So now here something is missing. 1 square to 10 square, 1 square plus 2 square, 10 square. Same thing we subtract here. 1 square, 2 square up to 10 square. So it is 1 to 20. Same like earlier type. 21 into 20, 20 into 21 into 41 divided by 2 minus 10 into 11 into 21 divided by 6. Sorry. Divided by 6 divided by 6. We already done this, which is 2870. We will calculate this 5, 3, 7, 35 into 11, 385. So what is your answer? 2485. Now third rule. Sum of cube of first n natural number. By this what I mean, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube up to n cube. Sum of cube of first n natural number. So like here it is n. Any one of you? n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. जो पहला रूल था बस उसका स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट रूल सेम, n इंटू एन प्लस 1 डिवाइडेड बाई 2, बट हियर इट इज होल स्क्वायर, कंप्लीट का स्क्वायर. दिस इज होल स्क्वायर. नाउ ट्राई वन क्वेश्चन. 1 क्यूब प्लस 2 क्यूब प्लस 3 क्यूब प्लस 4 क्यूब अप टू 10 क्यूब. Done. Now here it is 10 into 11 divided by 2 whole square. So it is 55 square. 55 square is 3025. We will do square calculation later. How we can calculate square value first, that we will see later. Now here next rule number 4. 1. Yes, 1 1 square 1 cube. Fourth formula is sum of first n odd number. One plus 3 plus 5, odd number. When we add only the odd number, 1 3 5 7. Sum of first n odd number. Can anyone tell? N square. Sum of first n odd number is n square. So now here my question is find sum of. I have given you some homework. तो अभी चेक हो जाएगा किस किसने किया. Tell me sum of first 22 odd number. जिसको आता है वो नहीं बोलता. देखो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं. Sum of first 22 odd number क्या होगा? 22 स्क्वायर. अब 22 स्क्वायर क्या होता है? Sum of first 22 odd number is 22 square. 22 square is 484. Sum of first 24 odd number. (24 square). And what is 24 square? 576. Sum of first 50 odd number. Sum of first 50 odd number. 2500. 50 square 2500. Next is rule number 5. Sum of first n even number. Sum of first n even number. Here formula is n into n plus 1. But simple. N into n plus 1. There is no denominator. Sum of first n even number formula is n into n plus 1. Now you try question number 1. Sum of first 20 even number. This is 20 into 21, 420. Find sum of first 50 even number. So now here is 50 into 51, 2550. Okay. Next topic. Odd even. So before that I give you next week timetable. From next week we will have regularly 4, 5 or 6 classes. Okay? Mainly 5 classes. But if some emergency will be there, 4 classes. So to compensate that, sometime there will be 6 classes. Otherwise the average we keep 5 classes. So you can write timetable for next week. Monday, number system. Tuesday, number system. Wednesday, number system. There go भेजना है. Thursday, percentage. Friday, percentage. इनकी 5 दिन क्लास ले रहा हूँ, कविता को भी बता देना। मंडे से लेके फ्राइडे, मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे नंबर सिस्टम, थर्सडे फ्राइडे परसेंटेज। I can give a rough idea what is my plan for next week for number system, but not fix. Here we will do divisibility rule, divisibility of 2, 4, 8, ठीक है, divisibility rule. Here we can work on squares, how we can find squares and observation on squares. Here we can work on factors, some basic of HCF, LCM. In between if I get some time तो I can cover small topic in between, कोई छोटा टॉपिक बीच में करा सकता हूँ. Percentage I take 2 classes. Okay, now odd even. What concept we have for odd even? First is we will see the summation. Like here you can try also. कुछ example जैसे I will ask you odd plus odd. So in your mind you can check 3 plus 5. Even in exam also with the value you can cross check. So odd plus odd, 3 plus 5, what is that? 8. So can we say odd plus odd is always even? Second thing is even plus even. 2 plus 4, 6, so even. Even plus even is always even. Third rule is odd plus even. Odd. Odd plus even is always odd. If you forget this, you can cross check 3 plus 2, 5. This is okay, but I have to take this 2 rule in detail. Because nowadays UPSC is not asking odd plus odd, UPSC is asking odd plus odd plus odd plus odd plus odd. So taking more number. Okay. Now here, first we understand this. Rule number 2, even plus even, even. You add 2 even numbers, still even. You add 3 even number, it is even. Even plus even is also even. Even में हमेशा even रहेगा. You add 4 even number, still answer is even. You add 5 even number, answer is even. You add 6 even number, answer is even. You add 10 even number, answer is even. Are you getting the point? Even के केस में always the result is even. You add 2 even number, you add 3 even number, you add 4 even number, result is same. Clear? But here in this case, when you add 2 odd number, odd plus odd give even. What about odd plus odd plus odd? Odd. So it make a alternate pattern. When you add 2 odd number, it give even. When you add 3 odd number, it give odd. When you add 4 odd number, even. 4 odd number add करेंगे तो even बन जाता है. Odd plus odd plus odd plus odd give you even. You have to remember this. Odd plus odd give even, but you add 3 odd number, odd plus odd give odd. If you add 4 odd number, even. If you add 5 odd number, odd. If you add 6 odd number, even. If you add 7 odd number, odd. If you add 8 odd number, even. ये alternate pattern बनाता है. Sum of 2 odd number is even, sum of 3 odd number is odd, and so on. ठीक है? Sum of 2 odd number is even, sum of 3 odd number is odd, and so on. And so on मतलब जब 2, 4, 6, 8 होंगे तो even होगा. Odd 1 है, 3 है, 5 है, 7 है. When you add 5 odd number, odd. When you add 7 odd number, odd. When you add 9 odd number, odd. Clear? Category 1 student, is this clear? हाँ जी, अभी तो बढ़वाया है. पकड़ा नहीं उसको आपने? मैंने 24 बोला था, 24 बोला था. इसको 24 करो, 24. मेरे को लग रहा है बंद ही कर गया. यहाँ पे तो नहीं कोई दिक्कत हो रही? ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, वहां पे भी कूलिंग कम कर दो यार अरविंद, सही है, ठीक है। मैं सोचा कंसेप्ट में दिक्कत है, कंसेप्ट सही है ना, फाइन। नेक्स्ट इज सेकेंड थिंग वी टेक फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन, देन वी टेक मल्टीप्लीकेशन इन डिटेल एंड डिवीजन। सब्ट्रैक्शन, odd minus odd, 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2. So odd minus odd, your result is even. Even minus even, even. Odd minus even, odd. 3 minus 2 is 1. Odd में odd subtract करोगे, we get even. Odd minus odd, even. If you are not able to understand, साथ के साथ category 1 student, you can write example. 3 minus 1 is 2, 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 2 is 1, so that you can remember it. Fine, you have to remember it. If you can remember, okay. Otherwise alternate way is use some small value, check. You can check with the value in exam, कुछ value से आप check भी कर सकते हैं. Now multiplication you have to be comfortable, that is important. First concept here is odd multiply with odd, odd. Second concept is odd multiply with even, even. Third concept here is even multiply with even, even. Like 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 2, 6. 2 into 4, 8, or 2 into 2, 4. This is level 1 learning. इसके beyond मैं बताऊंगा because it is very important. First you understand this. Tell me what is odd into odd? What is odd into even? What is even into even? Even. I give you observation later. First we understand this even into even, even. If you multiply 3 even number, 4 even number, 5 even number, it remain even. Multiplication of 2 even number is even. Multiplication of 3 even number is even. Multiplication of 4 even number is even. Multiplication of 10 even number is even. Same here. Multiplication of 2 odd number is odd. Multiplication of 3 odd number is odd. Multiplication of 4 odd number is odd. Multiplication of 5 odd number is odd. Now here, when odd multiply with even, it become even. And even like in a multiplication, you have 4, 5 odd and single even. Odd into odd into odd into odd into even. It make the entire value even. लिख लो. If in a multiplication we have at least one even number, if in a multiplication we have at least one even number, then the final product is always even. मतलब एक इवन मल्टीप्लिकेशन में सबको इवन बना देता है इन फाइनल प्रोडक्ट वैल्यू, इट इज इवन. Let us try this concept. Statement number 1. A into B is equal to odd, B into C is even, A into C is even. Okay, A into B is odd, B into C is even, A into C is even. Tell me out of A, B, C, which one is even? All of you? Or I explain this concept. If final product is odd, it means you can conclude all these numbers are odd. That is the condition. Otherwise, it will not be odd. If your final product is odd, it means all the number in multiplication are odd. Then only odd is possible. Because the moment there is one number even, it makes final product even. Like even वो बीमारी है जो like कसोल वाली, ठीक है, सबको महका देता है वो टाइप. See here, you see even. अच्छा, based on this statement number 2 and 3, B into C is even, A into C is even. Okay, tell me what is B? Odd, even, can't say. मतलब इट्स लाइक एक फ्लैट से महक आ रही है, खुशबू आ रही है कसोल वाली, ठीक है, तो वो माल कौन फूक रहा है? सी फूक रहा है या बी फूक रहा है? फूक तो रहा है. इफ इट इज इवन तो माल की स्मेल तो आ रही, इधर सी बी या दोनों. एटलीस्ट वन हैज टू बी इवन, अदरवाइज दिस इवन इज नॉट पॉसिबल. ये इवन होगा ही नहीं. If your final product is even, what we can conclude out of B and C, at least one is even. But based on this statement, you can't say B is even or you can't say C is even. क्या पता दोनों फूक रहे हैं या एक फूक रहे. Even here, third statement you see, you can say C, you can say A, or you can say both. But the moment we have first statement A into B is equal to odd, then we can conclude. Now can we conclude what is A? Yes. A ने अपने हाथ खड़े कर दिए, बोला मेरे पास माल नहीं क्योंकि ये odd है. A and B has proved that they are odd because if it is odd, A has to odd, B has to odd. Here even की possibility नहीं. If at least one even, it has to be even. So since it is odd, now C is even, it is odd, C has to even. So in this question we can conclude A odd, B odd and C here is even. So what is our concept? If your final product is odd, what we can conclude, all these value are odd for sure. All this value has to be odd, no possibility other than this. If your final product is even, then what you can say, at least one of them माल फूक रहा या सारे. B, C both can be even or B alone is even or C alone is even. Let me ask, try to use this concept. Statement number 1, A into B into C is equal to even. My question, A into B into C is equal to even. माल कौन फूक रहा है? कौन सा even है? कोई तो फूक रहा है ना. Tell me out of A, B, C which number is even. Can't say. Maybe alone, maybe B alone, maybe C, maybe 2 out of this, maybe all 3. एक ग्रुप ट्रिप लगा गया है वहां पे. यूज सेकंड स्टेटमेंट, एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेटमेंट दे रहा हूं, B इंटू C इंटू D इक्वल टू A1. देन टेल मी विच वन इज A1. मे बी B, C. ठीक है, but we can't conclude. Third statement, A into C into D is equal to odd. Now my question is, out of A, B, C, D, अब माल किसके पास है? Tell me out of A, B, C, D, which is E1? Out of A, B, C, D, tell me which is E1 here. How many of you are able to conclude that B is E1 now? All of you. Why? Because the third statement suggests A, C, D odd. Only possibility is all 3 has to be odd. तीनों के तीनों odd है, तभी ये odd होगा. If at least one number even, it make entire product even. If in a multiplication we have at least one even, that make entire product even. If final product is odd, it means only condition is all number in multiplication are odd, no other possibility. So it means, can we say A is odd, C is odd? तब धुआं तो उठ रहा है यहाँ, तो ये B है जो, तो B here is even. Here also this is odd, this is odd, so we can conclude B is even. So idea here is, our conceptual clarity here is, if I say A into B into C into D is equal to odd, immediate response has to be all these number are odd. Then only final product odd possible, no other possibility. But if I say A into B into C into D is equal to even, then our response will be at least 1 out of this 4 is even. At least 1, या तो चारों even हो सकते हैं, 3 number even, 2 number even, but at least 1 number is even, otherwise this product even not possible. Is this clear? क्या पता A अकेला even हो, B even हो, C even हो, D even हो, maybe A and B even, A and C even. There are many possibilities we have, but we can't conclude. यहाँ पे ये नहीं कह सकते कि all 4 are even. There is a possibility this is odd, this is odd, this is odd, and this is even, then also our product is even. When your final product is even, there are 2 possibilities, maybe all these number are even, or at least any one of these number is even. Clear? Now next for division. Odd divided by odd. Tell me. Fraction is also possible. जैसे you write example 3 by 5. So it is fraction. But other than fraction, is there any other possibility? 9 by 3. Write one example 9 by 3. When you simplify, what is this? Odd. So you write odd divided by odd, we have 2 results, either it is odd or fraction. Example, you can write 9 by 3 or you can write 3 by 5. 9 by 3 give you odd, 3 by 5 give you fraction. So odd number divided by odd give you 2 possibility, it can be odd or it can be fraction. It is never even. Odd number divided by odd even. Can you give me any example? Odd number divided by odd and final result has to come even. Any one of you? 3 दिन का टाइम दे रहा हूं, मंडे तक सोच लेना, ठीक है? जिसको आंसर मिल जाए चॉकलेट मेरी तरफ से, जो 4 साल से वेट कर रही है. क्यों नहीं हो सकता? लॉजिकली क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो इट मीन्स यू आर सेइंग odd is equal to even into odd, and what we have learned, if in a multiplication there is even, final value has to be even. So that's why don't waste your time, कुछ और कर लेना रात भर, because odd number divided by odd will never give you even, will never give you even, हो ही नहीं सकता, या तो odd आएगा या fraction आएगा. Second concept, even number divided by even. Think about some example like 4 by 2. मैं कुछ example दे रहा हूँ. 4 by 2. When you simplify, what you get? 2. What is 2? Even. So one possibility is you get even, and for that example is 4 by 2. Any other possibility? Odd. Can you give me any example? 14 by 2, 6 by 2. जैसे 6 by 2 है, you get 3. What is 3? Odd. And it can be fraction also. Fraction is 2 by 4, so 1 by 2. So even number divided by even give all the three possibility. It can be even, it can be odd, it can be fraction. You write example so that after 1 month when you revise, you will not miss the thing. Example भी लिख लेना. Third, even number divided by odd. Tell me what are the possibility? सिर्फ fraction, even also and fraction. I tell you fraction तो होगा, उसमें तो कोई doubt नहीं, but even is also possible. I tell you कैसे? 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3 you get 4, so which is even, and fraction also, fraction के लिए 2 by 3. तो you write example, even divided by odd can be even, can be fraction. Even के लिए example हो गया 12 by 3 4, fraction के लिए 2 by 3. Last, not the least, next one. Fourth is odd number divided by even. When an odd number divided by even number, what are the possibilities you have? Even. किसने आंसर दिया? Example. मंडे तक का टाइम है. ओनली फ्रैक्शन, ओनली फ्रैक्शन. मेरे हिसाब से तो ओनली फ्रैक्शन आता है. इफ यू आर गेटिंग एनी अदर पॉसिबिलिटी, मोस्ट वेलकम, आपको स्टेज पे सम्मानित किया जाएगा. इफ यू हैव, मतलब मेरे कंसेप्ट में भी ऐड ऑन हो जाएगा. अगर कुछ आ रहा है तो मेरे हिसाब से तो नहीं आना चाहिए. और नंबर, सर कुछ सोच रहे हैं टाइप ना कि मैं आज माला पहन के ही जाऊंगा. even number divided by odd, just fraction, just only fraction, just fraction. Done? Fine. Next one, small topic based on quadratic equation. School day 6th standard, you might have learned this a plus b whole square. English medium student, a square plus b square plus 2ab. हिंदी मीडियम स्टूडेंट, ए बे, ए का वर्ग, बी बे का वर्ग, 2ab एक्स्ट्रा आ रहा है ना? यस. बट पॉइंट हियर इज, in aptitude no one is going to give you 2.5 marks for a direct calculation what is a plus b whole square. Indirectly these calculations are used in sometime question. CSAT में तो नहीं पूछा, but still we cover. थोड़ा बैंकिंग लेवल की चीजें हैं, but yes sometimes in CSAT they have asked question on board mass, तो they ask एक क्वेश्चन भी पूछ लेगा तो we get 2.5 marks, but not in detail. Like here I ask you 77 into 77 plus 24 into 24 plus 2 into 77 into 24. Just calculate this. Take your time. क्या आ रहा है 82102021. See what is important, you take it as a 77 को a मान लो, a into a 24 को b मान लो, b into b, this is 2 into a into b. So can you see it is nothing a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it is actually a plus b whole square has been used. So now here a is 77, b is 24. So actually it is 77 plus 24 whole square, where we have 77 into 77 plus 24 into 24 plus 2 into 77 into 24. So what is this? 101 square. On Tuesday I told you I will cover squares part, then I tell you you can calculate fast, it take 2 seconds. 101 square होता है 10201. 101 square is 10201. Wait, Tuesday को you also calculate in 1 second, not a big deal, कोई ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है ये. Next question. 151 into 151 plus 41 into 41 minus 2 into 151 into 41. Try to use formula if you know by chance. क्या आ रहा है 11,000 12100 12,100. So this is a into a, b into b, this is 2 into a into b. A square plus b square minus 2ab, so it is a minus b whole square. So it is 151 minus 41 whole square, it is 110 square. 110 square 11 square is 121020 बन जाएगा 12100. One more question. Category 1 student, are you able to understand? नहीं समझ में आ रहा, पुराने पाप सामने आ रहे हैं बस, और कुछ नहीं है. a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, 67 into 67 plus 34 into 34 plus 99 into 99 plus 2 into 67 into 34 plus 2 into 34 into 99 plus 2 into 99 into 67. एक बुकलेट लाना मेरे को. फोर्टी 40,000. 40,000. 8 लाख. क्यूब ले लिया क्या? क्यूब ले लिया आपने. Now here, what is a plus b plus c whole square? What is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab 2bc 2ca. So this is the same thing. You can see this is a into a square. This is b into b, b square. C into c, c square. 2 into a into b, 2 into B into C, 2 into C into A. So you take 67 as A, 34 as B, 99 as C. So it is 67 plus 34 plus 99 whole square. If you take total, it is coming 200. So your answer is 200 square. 200 square is 40,000. Okay. So today what we have done, main topic we have done, how to convert recurring decimal into fraction. Then I told you rule of counting principle. Then we have done odd even. Then we have done this. Last class you got one handout of 4 pages. 4 पेज का एक handout मिला था. Last page में all these formulas are given. That is your homework. जिसने square नहीं याद किए वो आपका homework है. Okay. Just give me 5 minutes. All of you got this booklet. For online student, we have uploaded one booklet for GS paper 2 mains. I tell you how you can use this booklet. Whenever you plan to start your GS paper 2 mains or you want to revise your GS paper 2, you can take help of this booklet. See what we have given in this booklet. This is the syllabus you have with you. We have polity, governance, social justice and IR. Okay. You can divide in 4 parts: polity, governance, social justice separately, but otherwise we take this governance and social justice together. इसको साथ में ही लेते हैं. Governance and social justice. Page number 2. ठीक है. After that, we have given the analysis of last 10 years. First about the prelims, not only paper 2, all the subject. But here write question wise. It is not marks wise. This is question wise distribution in prelims. Last 11 year, 2013 to 2014, last 12 year. See, you have an idea like ancient history, 2013 2 question, 14 0, 1 2, 1 2. So the weightage of this is nearly 2 question. You can see the ancient history other than art and culture. Art and culture अलग से लिया हमने. Medieval history में you can see the trend 1 2. After that they have asked more question. Here especially this year they are the coaching in GS Foundation batches. They stopped teaching medieval history. यहाँ पे उन्होंने medieval history पढ़ाना छोड़ दिया था. But UPSC ने बोला ऐसे कैसे, तो अब वो 3-4 क्लास ले रहे हैं हम दोबारा से medieval history. Here 6 question in 2022. फिर यहाँ 2024 में UPSC ने थप्पा बोल दिया, 0 question. Art and culture 8, 12, 3, 4, 6. So here average you can say 6-7 question from art and culture we are having. Modern history, geography, agriculture nearly 13-15 question. Polity nearly 15-18 question. Economics throughout the this except 2014 2 digit. मतलब 15 से 20 question economics से आते ही आते हैं हर साल. Ecology also like 2 digit number 18, 18, 13, 16. So 2024 there was 13 question. Science and technology. This IR miscellaneous scheme, current affair. Other than this, अगर science and tech का current affair है, we have included here current affair other than this topic. So here we have 17 question in 2024. Then after that, this is marks wise distribution in mains. Marks wise. So you can see your subject. This is for paper 2. ठीक है? Historical things you can see marks wise. In 2023 55. We have not included 2024 because waiting for the paper. अभी सितंबर में कंडक्ट होना है वो पेपर. Executive structure, organization, functioning. So you can see the marks wise. Union and state legislature. Idea is when you want to cover these topics, union and state legislature, you can have an idea about weightage. कि उस topic की weightage कितनी है. So that accordingly you can put your effort. जहाँ से weightage ज़्यादा है, you have to make multiple revision. If weightage is less, 1 reading, 2 reading will be sufficient. So it will help you in your preparation. जहाँ पे ज़्यादा नंबर आ रहे हैं वहाँ पे ज़्यादा टाइम देना ही देना है. Okay. Like next page, this is the idea. Here topic wise analysis. Page number 3. it is Article 90, like you are revising Article 90. My idea is, if you are covering your Article 19 in your revision, so you just check the question asked on Article 19 in previous year in mains. इन्हीं पे आंसर राइटिंग कर लो आप. So you can see they have asked question in 2013, 2014, 2022. Then Article 21. So 2015 they have asked question, 2017 they have asked question on Article 20. Then fundamental rights, your rights. So 2015, 2021 they asked question. DPSP 2015 they have asked question in mains. Okay. Then preamble 2016 they have asked question. On emergency 2018 they have asked question. So you can have an idea about the topic when you are covering your topic for your polity and governance. You can have this booklet with you. Online के लिए we have uploaded this PDF. Okay. Like here you can see president cabinet. जब president पढ़ रहे होंगे, you just see what question they have asked in last 10 years on president. Anti-defection, parliamentary privilege, political parties, parliament. So we have given detailed analysis. Election reform, election, parliamentary committee, representation of people act, okay, Rajya Sabha speaker, legislative council, governor, Supreme Court, for judiciary also. Okay. Financial body, finance commission. So this is for your paper 2, polity, governance and IR. I will ask like within 10 days we provide you for paper 1, क्योंकि हमने एक बैच में paper 1 का भी already we have shared last month. तो आप लोगों को भी 10 दिन में हम उसका भी एक प्रिंट आउट दे देंगे, ऑनलाइन वालों को PDF दे देंगे. We have included some sample notes also. Page number 18. We have covered 2 topics in this booklet. One is फर्स्ट अमेंडमेंट, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में पहला अमेंडमेंट था 1951 में हुआ था, उसका डिटेल, कंप्लीट डिटेल. एंड सेकेंड इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक वेयर स्टूडेंट समटाइम्स दे डोंट हैव मटेरियल, प्रेशर ग्रुप. Pressure group, formal, informal association and their role in the polity. Pressure group definition and characteristics. Characteristics of pressure group. फिर type of pressure group. Role of pressure group in polity and democracy. ठीक है. More important here is we have given example. कुछ case studies भी हमने दिया है. Page number 25 we have given case studies. After that you can see some example of environmental pressure group. So if you can remember this, it will help you to write good answer in your mains. Ready-made example मिल जाएंगे आपको. Here एक environmental pressure group, जो environment से related pressure group है. Then business pressure group. Then women pressure group. कुछ women's के pressure group है, जैसे गुलाबी gang is one of the example. But not only गुलाबी gang, we have given a number of example. Then farmer related groups. Then Dalit pressure group, we have given some example. Pressure group and politics in India. ठीक है. Pressure group in legal field, some case laws. Challenges of pressure group, challenges that pressure group faces in India. Okay. So you can take help of this booklet when you are covering your paper 2, polity, governance and IR. You keep with you, it will really help. Okay. And one announcement, we have 2 program, one CSAT which you have already known. Second program also that is really good program in our institute, that is GS mentorship program. If any one of you looking for GS mentorship, we are starting our batch 4 on 1st of September. Announcement here is from batch 5 we might increase the fees of this program. If you feel your preparation is not going up to the mark, strategy का issues है, notes making, any other issues, so you can ask the counselor about the detail. Or what we can do, when we will have free time, we can give you half an hour free mentorship session also, where you can meet the mentor. तो अभी मैं पूछ लेता हूँ, you can fix time slot, you can meet the mentor here. वेयर यू कैन डिस्कस अबाउट योर स्ट्रेटजी, डिस्कस अबाउट योर प्रिपरेशन प्लान। तो मैं पूछ के बता दूंगा बाय मंडे कि व्हेन वी कैन गिव ए फ्री स्लॉट 1-to-1, नॉट इन ए ग्रुप, 1-to-1 mentorship session. Okay. Now here I give you answer key. Last class you got this handout. I give the answer of first 10 question. 11 to 20 you have to try. Question number 1, answer is 2. Only statement 2. Question number 2, answer is 3, 14. Question number 3, answer is 2. Only statement 2. Question number 4, answer is 4, 15. ब्रैकेट में लिख देता हूँ, जैसे 15 है, यहाँ पे 14 है. दिस इज आंसर ऑप्शन, दिस इज वैल्यू. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, आंसर 365. इन यूपीएससी देगी ABCD, हमने बस प्रैक्टिस के लिए वी हैव टेकन 1 2 3 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, आंसर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, आंसर C. सॉरी, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, आंसर C. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, आंसर 4. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, आंसर 3. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, आंसर 4. यू कैन टेक फोटो, या मैं डाल देता हूँ ग्रुप पे ना, फिर बाद में वो चिट चैट चलती है आपके ग्रुप पे ना. कैन एनीवन शेयर द आंसर की एंड ऑल. 9 का 3 है. 9 का D आ रहा है. लेट मी चेक 9. It is given 146 minus 2 plus 3 into 123 into 5 plus 2. एक बार हैंड आउट दिखाना, कुछ और चीज ना दी हो ना आपके उसमें. प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, डिवीजन मीन्स प्लस, माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन. ठीक है. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन. 146 divided by 2. Plus means multiplication. Multiplication means minus. Plus means multiplication. Board ma suggests first we have to do division. 83 into 3 minus 123 minus 5. Okay. 73. Yes. 73 into 3. Okay. So what we get here? 219 minus 123 minus 10, 219 minus 133. Okay, 86. Yes. Question number 9, answer is 4, 86. एक मिनट. Any other things? It is okay. इसी में था ना issue. Question number 9, correct answer is 4. Okay. Eleven to 20 your homework दे देता हूं मैं आपको. One is what you have not done. Square सबने याद नहीं किया, कुछ लोगों ने याद किया. That is very important. You have to remember 2 square to 25 square. You have to remember cube. Table. अच्छा, table में I have asked you to cover 2 to 20 table. You cover table of 21 as well. 22, 24, 25. Important है. 24 because in one day there are 24 hour. Multiple of 24 calculation में आता है. और 25 का मल्टीपल ऑल्सो कम मैनी टाइम इन कैलकुलेशन. आई टेल यू द रीजन. चलो मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ पॉइंट. सम स्टूडेंट दे हैव ए पॉइंट कि इन एग्जाम दे कैलकुलेट. हाउ डज इट मैटर? इट विल टेक 4-5 सेकेंड. 4-5 सेकेंड से फर्क नहीं है. 4-5 सेकेंड तो ऐसे ही उड़ जाते हैं. व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, दिस स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन. सी व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, इन एंटायर पेपर देयर विल बी नियरली 200 स्मॉल कैलकुलेशन. एक क्वेश्चन में 10-10 छोटी कैलकुलेशन होती है. and if you are taking 5 seconds extra for each small calculation, it means you are taking 1000 seconds extra. That is my concern. आप स्क्वायर अगर एग्जाम में कैलकुलेट करने बैठ रहे हो 10 जगह स्क्वायर कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. From 2 to 25 only. I'm not asking to remember big square value. 2 to 25 cube, 2 cube to 12 cube. अच्छा इसमें ये भी ऐड कर लो 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 10 और better 2 is to power 12. 2, 4, 8, 16 याद होना चाहिए. 3 is to power 1 to 3 is to power 7. You should know 729 is 3 is to power 6. 81 is 3 is to power 4. 243 is 3 is to power 5. You should know. So here this 1000 second you can say 1000 second means nearly 16-17 minute, and in 16-17 minute we can solve 5 or 6 extra question. That is my concern. ये छोटी छोटी कैलकुलेशन आपकी 15-16 मिनट बचाएंगी एग्जाम में. Okay, table of 21, table of 22, table of 24, table of 25, 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 12, 3 is to power 1 to 3 is to power 7, prime number table. I think all of you remember first 25 prime number. That has to be on your tips because it is very important. पहले 25 prime number तो आपके टिप पे होने चाहिए. Plus 6, 7th, 8th NCERT number system topic. टॉपिक कौन कौन से है जहां पे लिखा होगा इंटीजर, फ्रैक्शन, डेसिमल, रैशनल नंबर, नो ईयर नंबर, वो सब टॉपिक नंबर सिस्टम से रिलेटेड टॉपिक है. प्लस लास्ट क्लास यू गॉट वन हैंड आउट ऑफ 4 पेजेस. फर्स्ट पेज नंबर चार्ट गिवन, सेकंड पेज डेफिनेशन गिवन, थर्ड पेज डिविजिबिलिटी विच आई विल कवर नेक्स्ट क्लास, फोर्थ पेज देयर आर द फॉर्मूला गिवन a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, after that odd even table, after that rule of counting principle. I already given in the last class one handout where this formula is already given to you. जो Wednesday को क्लास हुई थी उसमें आपको एक handout मिला था. See why I'm telling you, you have only this 2 more days with you, Saturday, Sunday. After that weekly we have 5 classes. You get time just to revise the lecture, just to do your home assignment. फिर उसके बाद ये basic नहीं cover कर पाएंगे आप. Only this Saturday, Sunday you have. So you remember your table, you remember square value, cube value, this 2 is to power 1 to 2 is to power 12. Basic, जितना basic cover करना है, try to cover here in next 2 days, Saturday, Sunday. Then you will not face problem. Problem क्या है ना कि if you know the basic ना, you have learning for the advanced thing. फिर आपका दिमाग एडवांस में लगेगा. अगर आपको स्क्वायर ही नहीं आता ना, आप क्लास में स्क्वायर निकालने में घुस जाते हो कि 19 स्क्वायर निकालना है, तो आप 19 into 19 करने में एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहे हो. द कंसेप्ट यू मिस. फिर जो कंसेप्ट सीखना चाहिए वो नहीं सीखते, आप यहीं पे दिमाग लगाते हो. आपका माइंड एक टाइम पे एक चीज पे कंसंट्रेट करता है. तो इफ योर फोकस इज ऑन फाइंडिंग स्क्वायर देन यू मिस द कंसेप्ट. इफ यू ऑलरेडी नो द स्क्वायर देन यू लर्न द कंसेप्ट. फिर आप कंसेप्ट पे ध्यान दे सकते हो. So you cover this basic, you have Saturday, Sunday with you. If you have not covered basic of 6, 7th, 8th NCERT, try to cover. Remember table. If you have not remember squares value, write. No one is God gifted here. Don't think in one go you can remember it. पुराने पाप ऐसे नहीं धुलते हैं. पूरा पूजा पाठ करना पड़ता है, उसका मंत्र उच्चारण करना पड़ेगा. You have to read it 10 times. You have to like here उसका चांटिंग करना पड़ेगा आपको 10 बार, चिल्ला चिल्ला के पड़ोसी तक सुनने. Write it, read it loudly, write it again. Retention is not a easy thing, but once you retain it then you will never forget it. For geography mapping also student जैसे सर एक बार में नहीं होता भाई. मुझे कौन सा एक बार में हुआ, 10 बार प्रैक्टिस की है. रफ आउटलाइन मैप वी हैव डन प्रैक्टिस एंड नंबर टाइम, वी मेड निमोनिक, फिर उस तरह से याद किया है. तो यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस इट, बट वंस यू डू दिस देन इट विल नॉट ट्रबल यू लेटर. तो यू हैव टाइम. मंडे ऑनवर्ड वी विल हैव वीकली एवरेज 5 क्लासेस. तो वीकली 5 क्लासेस की एवरेज मेंटेन रखेंगे. आई हैव गिवन यू द शेड्यूल. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे वी हैव नंबर सिस्टम. फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, sorry, Thursday, Friday we have percentage. Those who are not having any doubt in this 10 question, you can leave the class. Those who are having doubt, you wait. Those who are having doubt in today's lecture, those who are having doubt in this 10 question in that handout. अच्छा ये तो भूल गया, 11 to 20 questions also in that handout. That is your homework. इस हैंडआउट में बचे हुए क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन टुडेज लेक्चर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 to 20 is your homework. Okay, if you don't have any doubt you can leave the class. Those are having doubt in the lecture or doubt in first 10 question, you can wait here. I will take doubt on the board. Online students also, just wait. How to approach question number 6? Wait. आपका कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? शॉर्टकट कुछ नहीं है, आपको ए चेक करना पड़ेगा, बी सी ऑप्शन से ही हो. I will take question number 6 on board. Online student wait. हाँ जी, आप मिल सकते हैं, डिस्कस कर सकते हैं, कब कर सकते हैं, या तो आज आ जाए शाम में 4 बजे इवनिंग में, इधर ही, नहीं तो मंडे को 4, ठीक है, या क्लास से पहले 10:30. मंडे 10:30, मंडे 10:30 चलेगा, 10:30 चलेगा, 10:30 10:40 के आसपास. 2 की पावर 1 to 2 की पावर 12. It's a 2 is to power 1 is 2, 2 is to power 2 is 4, 2 cube is 8, 2 is to power 4 16, 2 is to power 5 32, 2 is to power 6 64. अगर मैंने क्लास में पूछ लिया what is 2 is to power 6, you have to immediately tell 64. I will not give you time to calculate. हाँ कर लो, इवन माइनस ओड लिख लो, ओड आएगा, आप लिख लो इसमें एक्चुअली 5. I will take. I take question number 5, question number 6. Okay, have a seat. Question number 5, question number 6. Any other doubt I will take after this. Question number 5 here is 36a bracket start 15c4 bracket close b 21a 13 bracket close a 24d bracket close 16d2. In this question it is clearly mentioned a means plus, b means minus. So 36 plus 15, c here means multiplication, multiply 4, b means minus, 21 plus 13 plus 24, d means division, 16 divided by 2. You have to open all this bracket and take care of the symbol outside the bracket के बाद symbol भी है. 36 plus 60 minus 34 plus 24 divided by 8. Then this division. What is 24 divided by 8? 3. 36 plus 60 minus 34 plus 3. आपने गलती क्या की होगी, इसको आपने 37 ले लिया होगा. इट इज माइनस 34 में 3 ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो इट इज माइनस 31. ठीक है, 36 प्लस 60 96, 96 माइनस 31, व्हाट इज आंसर? 65. आपने 37 लिया होगा. माइनस 34 प्लस 3, लाइक नेगेटिव इंटीजर पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, माइनस 34 प्लस 3, तो ये माइनस 31 बने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question number 6 here is 21 plus 5 into 2 minus 21 divided by 3 is equal to 12. Which of the two symbols should be interchanged in order to make the following equation correct? There is no other way, you have to check from the answer option. पहले आंसर ऑप्शन है, टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है, पहले आंसर ऑप्शन है ट्राई करके देखो, प्लस और माइनस इंटरचेंज करके देखो, फिर प्लस और डिवीजन को इंटरचेंज करना है, चेंज नहीं करना, इंटरचेंज. इंटरचेंज मतलब प्लस की जगह डिवीजन, डिवीजन की जगह प्लस. कोई से नहीं, आंसर ऑप्शन में से. जब भी आंसर ऑप्शन दिए होता है, आंसर ऑप्शन से ही निकालना आंसर. आंसर ऑप्शन में जो दिया है, थर्ड आंसर ऑप्शन दे रहा है माइनस एंड मल्टीप्लीकेशन, तो माइनस और मल्टीप्लीकेशन को इंटरचेंज कर दो. 21 प्लस 5 माइनस 2, मल्टीप्लीकेशन कर दो इंटू 21 डिवाइडेड बाई 3. अगर ये 12 आ गया परफेक्ट है, अदरवाइज नो. सो पॉइंट इज यू आर आस्किंग हाउ टू अप्रोच दिस. देयर इज नो अदर वे, यू हैव पेशेंस. यू चेक आंसर ऑप्शन है, आंसर ऑप्शन बी, आंसर ऑप्शन सी, और कोई तरीका नहीं है इसका. हमें आंसर ऑप्शन से चेक करना पड़ेगा, इंटरचेंज करना है. माइनस बिकम मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन बिकम माइनस, तो क्या हो गया 21 प्लस 5, जस्ट वेट, इंटू 7. तो ये -2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 7 इज -14. तो 26 माइनस 14 12, ये -2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 7। हाँ जी, एग्जाम में कुछ भी आ सकता है, दिस इज द बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग। एग्जाम में पूछा है बोर्ड मास से 2 क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं पिछले सालों में। 9 like what you mean, like here negative multiply with positive is negative. This negative integer multiply with a positive integer, your value will be negative. Negative integer multiply with negative integer give a positive integer, so that you have to take care. Question number 9, 146 minus 2 plus 3 multiply with 123 into 5 divided by 2, नहीं plus 2 is equal to, प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन। क्वेश्चन में लिखा है इफ प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन, प्लस को मल्टीप्लीकेशन बना दो, माइनस मीन्स डिवीजन। 146 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन, मल्टीप्लीकेशन मीन्स माइनस, प्लस मीन्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन। बोर्ड मास क्या कहता है, पहले डिवीजन। व्हाट इज 146 डिवाइडेड बाय 2, 73 into 3 minus 123 minus 5 into 2, then multiplication, positive multiply with positive, so it is coming 219 minus 123 negative integer multiply with positive integer negative minus 10, so 219 minus 133, what is 219 minus 123, 86। ओके डन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 डन, 6 डन, 8 डन। 8 नहीं किया, 8 ले लेता हूं मैं, 8 आई विल टेक। आई टेक क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 एज वेल। $81D 9C 5D, 81D 9C 5D 15A 8B 11। D मीन